Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to schedule mail for later in Yahoo. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Yahoo Mail. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this pencil icon here to open up a new compose dialog box. And this is going to pop up right here. Select the mail, the recipient, select your subject, then compose a message. Then having composed the message, then come to the top right here, click on this three dots right here. Then this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on schedule for later. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on, you can schedule for tomorrow African time. Everything depends on your country and your time zone. You can click on schedule message, or better still, you can click on here and change the date or the month. Let's say, for instance, I want to schedule this to be next week, Monday, 27th. Then I will change the time to be 7:30 or 7:30 and p.m. Then I'll simply click on select date, and it has been scheduled. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on schedule message right here. And you are done. So basically, this is how to simply schedule mail for later in Yahoo. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.